Hey guys, I'm going to show you the best design deals you can get this year for Black Friday and Cyber Monday sales, and I'm going to show you my list. You can check it out on my website, but let's just go through the top deals that I've found that's going to be really helpful. So firstly, I'll put the link in the description. You can actually find all the deals on my website, as you can see here, and all the links are here. I'm going to quickly jump into the first deal. This is from Vexels. I love using Vexels. You can see I have an account, which is really awesome. They're actually giving 55% off annual plans, and you can see here it's pretty affordable. And the cool thing about Vexels is you get vectors, you get mock-ups, you get t-shirt design mock-ups as well, which is really interesting, and you get plenty of different stuff. So you can see here backgrounds, icons, plenty of good stuff. So definitely check out these guys, Vexels, 55% off. And I'll just quickly go to some of the vectors so you guys can see what's actually inside of there. So here's plenty of designs. It's very similar to some other places. Number 2 is the logo package express. They actually have 40% off. So if you use the code FRY40, then you can get that. So super exciting to have this beautiful design. I use this plugin for all my logo designs and client work. So I think this is a really good deal, and the link will be in the description. Icon Scout is number 3. They're actually having 50% off all their plans. So you can get the all access plan, which is 50%. So you get like 3Ds, illustrations, Lottie assets, or if you just want the vectors, it will be 99. And that's a pretty good deal for the whole year. And you can see all the cool stuff. I'll show you some of their 3D stuff because I think it's really, really cool. So let me just go here and click on 3D. They recently just launched this, and you can see they've got heaps of cool packs. For example, work from home pack. You can see a lot of cool like 3D stuff. I think this is really awesome. So that's included in the license. And then you've got like heaps of different icons. So I think Icon Scout is really awesome. Next up is Design Cuts. I always buy bundles for them. If you go to the Design Cuts Black Friday, you can see they've got like live sessions, and they also have got 50% off all their templates. So you can see all their mock-up packs here, apparel mock-ups. You got mood boards, like packaging, cosmetic stuff, like so many crazy things that you can get for 50% off. So definitely check out Design Cuts. And they've also got like other things like graphics and Procreate or Affinity brushes and things like that. So you can see here plenty of good stuff. So definitely check out Design Cuts. Next up is Envato Elements. I'm already logged in here, but you can see Envato has heaps of like video templates and heaps of like different stuff. So they've got amazing work here, and they typically have 30% off. So you'll get the annual plan for just $12 a month, which is really cool. So if you go to pricing, which is not on this area because they're gonna log out, but if you find it, that link will be in the website. You've also got Creative Market. I've been using Creative Market for a long time. They actually have up to 75% off all designs, which is cool. So like template packs, you got popular graphic packs, bundles, font packs. Like there's so many crazy things here, and definitely check it out because it's gonna be worth it. And you also get like a bonus if you buy credits and things like that, which is cool. Secret Lab. So I don't know if you've seen my chair. So you guys, you know my Secret Lab chair. They're actually having up to $150 off some of their products and their chairs. And this is the best gaming ergonomic work chair that you can find. You can see the ratings, 18,000 reviews. I got one myself, so I know that it's legit and it's good. So definitely check them out. That link will be there. And if you click on the Black Friday, it'll take you to all the discounted chairs. So you got the smaller ones and then the medium-sized ones as well, which is really cool. So definitely check that out. And then lastly, one of the best ones is Domestica. So if you're a designer and you love taking courses like on Skillshare and LinkedIn, stuff like that, then Domestica is having courses. All their courses are pretty much $10. So, and that's in US dollars, but it's $9.90. You can see all the cool deals here. You can learn illustration. You can earn portraits, interior design, like so many cool stuff. And you can see all the areas and different stuff there. So typically they cost like around $50, but now you get it for $10. So definitely check out Domestica and get up to 75% off all courses. So pretty much that's all the top design deals that I could find. If you want more, then just check all the links on my link in the description below. So check that out and you'll get all the links. They are affiliate links, so I do get a little bit of a commission at no extra cost to you, just to be honest. But thanks so much, guys. Really appreciate it. Hope you find a deal that you like. Remember, these deals only last for 3 days until Cyber Monday, sometimes a little bit longer, but it's worth the money if you can spend it now instead of waiting another year to get specials again. So definitely check them out. Hope you enjoyed this video. I'll talk to you soon.